Diablo 4's first season has been marred by issues, including a problematic patch that nerfed characters and a confusing battle pass layout. Players, including streamer Rurikan, accidentally bought the premium version of the battle pass due to its placement next to a frequently used button, with no pop-up confirmation to prevent accidental redemption. Blizzard has been accused of using a dark pattern design to trick players into purchasing the premium battle pass. Blizzard has responded to the criticism and is working on a fix to prevent accidental redemption. In other news, player Woodijo lost over 40 hours of game time when his new Season 1 hardcore character died after a disconnect. Despite these issues, Diablo 4 had a successful launch with over 10 million players in June and is Blizzard's fastest-selling game.